Hello everyone, if you are looking for a quick and hassle-free personal loan, then FinCorp offers a great solution with a fully digital and instant loan process. With FinCorp Personal Loan, you can get a loan starting from 50,000 rupees up to 5 lakh rupees, with flexible repayment tenure from 12 months to 36 months. The entire application process is 100% digital and paperless, making it simple and convenient for customers. One of the biggest advantages is fast loan disbursal and instant approval within about 10 minutes, depending on eligibility. The interest rate typically ranges between 19% to 30%, and the loan is provided without any collateral. Eligibility criteria: both salaried and self-employed individuals can apply. For salaried applicants, age should be between 21 to 58 years. Minimum monthly income should be around 20,000 rupees or more. Basic documents like PAN card, Aadhaar card, address proof, and income proof are required. For self-employed applicants, age should also be 21 to 58 years. You must have a stable source of income. Documents such as PAN, Aadhaar, address proof, ITR, and business proof may be required. In addition, the applicant must be an Indian resident with a good credit score, ideally 750 or above, for faster approval. Application process: applying for the loan is very simple. First, click on the application link shared by your advisor and start the process. Then select your loan amount and provide the required permissions. Next, enter your PAN details, personal information, and communication address. After that, you will see your approved loan offer and EMI details on the screen. You will then complete bank verification and Aadhaar KYC through DigiLocker. Once the verification is done, set up EMIs for automatic EMI payments using UPI, debit card, or net banking. Finally, e-sign the loan agreement using Aadhaar OTP, and your loan amount will be disbursed directly to your bank account shortly. Final note: FinCorp Personal Loan is a great option for handling medical expenses, travel, education, or any urgent financial need with quick approval and easy digital processing. If you want to apply for this loan or check your eligibility, contact your advisor or apply through the provided link today. Thank you for watching.